The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
The opposition is demanding a report on the stewardship of the school feeding program so that we can see exactly what is happening there. We're also asking the Minister of Education to ensure that the board understands its role of providing nutrition at the lowest cost to our children, especially the most vulnerable. It is unbelievable that at the time when we would have had our lowest attendance, the cost from the NPL is probably one of the highest. It is high time the Ministry of Education gets its boards to follow the protocols. We saw from under the former minister what happened with CMU. What is clear is that that is not the only institution. It is time for the Ministry of Education to take on board making sure that all of its institutions are running according to the rules that govern them. In 2018, the former Minister, Royal Reid, dismissed as baseless the questions raised in relation to the handling of the affairs of Nutrition Products Limited. We are therefore demanding that the board be held accountable for what appears to be a wanton waste of taxpayers' money, that which was intended to feed our children. Our children are going hungry while they are fattening their pockets. That is totally unacceptable.
To read the full release, visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.